Hello everyone, welcome back. Um, this is part 3 of my review of the DIY cross-stitch project that is the beach. It has no name, it's just DIY. They didn't put a name on it. So there is a part 1 and a part 2, and I had a third problem, so this is the big reveal. I actually have started my own channel now. I'm calling it Cats Stitching and Weaving, and I'll get into my weaving, my beachy mats and everything in the next few days, but I'm just going to conclude with this particular cross-stitch project. So now for the big reveal. Ta-da! It's not done. Okay, so here's what happened. We're cruising along. Look at that gorgeous palm tree. It turned out great. It actually does look fringy. I'll give you that, DIY designers. I still don't see any coconuts, but and I don't even want to talk about down there. I just want to focus up here. So all this up here is supposed to be 2 colors of blue, all sprinkled in there. And that is supposed to be number 8, which is DMC code 799. And these red slashes, number 19, which is number 3755. So as you can see, there is like hardly any variation. I'm stitching along, I'm like, Jesus, this number 19 red slash is really dark. So I go down to the craft store and I buy one skein of DMC 3755, and there it is, folks. There it is. It is not that. So I had started here with what they provided and went to about there. No. Yeah, there. You can see my 3 red lines. To about there. And I stopped because I was like, this is really hella dark. As you can see, I have left some for comparison because I ripped it all out. I started from here and replaced it all, ripped it all out right up to the tree and replaced it all with 3755. This is what they provided. It is the same as number 8 that goes in up here. So that's not very nice. Why would you do that? So it's a lot lighter, as you can see. And I had to go and buy this one, number 800. I had to go buy this one because number 9 here, they put the same threads in number 9 in the palette as they did for number 1. I don't care what anybody says. This is not the same color. It's not the same color. So these two colors go along here. 3755 and then number 800. And they like go all sprinkly do all in through there. And you get this nice effect from the water, right? It's nice. And I could even see the seagull. Holy cow. So I left this because I just wanted to show you. This is what I'm going to rip all this out. I actually started up there, pulled a few out. I just have to rip out this little section in here. And this is a huge section of number 9, right? Which is number 800 that I have to fill in there. I started filling it in. I like to go in squares. I started filling it in, so you can definitely tell that there's a difference in the color. So, just to prove it to you, now that I've shown you that, I'll be done that probably in a couple days or a day. I only do it part-time. I don't work on it like 6 hours at a time. I'd go blind if I did. I wish I could, but, you know, gotta work and all that kind of thing. Here's my proof. Just gonna switch hands. So here's number 8. There's number 19. This is what they put in for 19. This is not the right color. This is not the right color. When I put these both together, and now I'm just going to mix them up. You cannot see the difference. You can't see the difference. You can't tell. They are both together in there and you cannot tell. They are the same damn color. So kudos to you, DIY. Man, that ticked me right off. So I went and bought this one. This one is supposed to be $37.55. And it's a lot lighter. I have used it all up, so I'm sorry. I have to go buy more. There isn't even one piece left. Get this out of here. But I want to pull all that out and just throw it in the garbage. I'm so mad. And the same thing with number 9. This number 9. That is not the right color. That is the wrong color. Where's the... There it is. Get out of there. Okay. I don't know why I rolled it up in there. Here it is. These two things are not the same color. They are not the same color. I mean, very close.